Hello. Hi. Welcome to Read to Talk. This is a listening podcast in simple English. We speak slowly. We use short sentences. Today's topic is weather and seasons.
Hi, everyone. I am Steve. I love weather because it gives me excuses.
Excuses.
Yes, it is raining. I can't go. It is cold. I need a blanket. It is hot. I need ice cream.
Weather excuses are powerful. Today we will talk about weather words and the 4 seasons, simple and real.
And I will complain a little.
Of course you will. Let's start. First, weather words. Just the most common. Sunny,
Cloudy,
rainy,
windy,
snowy,
hot,
cold,
warm.
cool.
Cool is not cool like sunglasses, right?
Good question. In weather, cool means a little cold, not very cold.
So, cool weather, cool temperature.
Exactly. Now, simple questions. How's the weather?
What's the weather like?
Great. And simple answers. It's sunny.
It's cloudy.
It's raining.
It's hot today.
It's cold today.
I like it's warm. Warm is comfortable.
Yes, warm is nice. Now the seasons. There are 4 seasons. Spring,
Summer,
fall.
winter.
Great. Fall is also called autumn.
2 names for 1 season. English loves options.
Yes, in simple English, fall is common in the US. Autumn is common in the UK, but both are correct. Let's connect weather and clothing.
Ah, yes, clothing decisions.
When it is cold, you wear a jacket. When it is rainy, you use an umbrella. When it is hot, you wear a t-shirt.
When it is snowy, you wear everything.
Yes, everything. Simple words. Jacket,
Coat,
sweater,
umbrella.
boots.
Boots make me feel brave.
Weather is great for small talk. People talk about weather a lot.
Yes, it is safe. Nobody fights about clouds.
True. Listen to a simple small talk conversation. Hi, Steve. How's the weather?
Hi, Luma. It's cloudy today.
Is it cold?
A little. It's cool.
Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I think it will rain.
That's a smart idea.
Thank you. I am learning.
Nice. Steve, do you check the weather app?
Yes, all the time. Morning, I check. Afternoon, I check. Night, I check.
Why?
Because the weather changes. And because I like drama.
Weather drama. What happens when it says rain?
I cancel my plans. I become a blanket person.
Blanket person. Nice.
I am loyal to blankets.
Now let's describe today. Simple sentences. It's sunny but windy.
It's cloudy and cool.
It's raining. The streets are wet.
It's hot today. I need water.
Great. We can mix weather words.
Like, it's cold and windy. That is the worst combo.
For many people, yes. Now let's talk about favorite seasons.
My favorite season is summer.
Why?
Because it is warm. Because days are long. And because ice cream exists.
Ice cream exists in all seasons, Steve.
Yes, but summer gives me permission.
My favorite season is spring. The weather is mild. Flowers grow. The air feels fresh.
Spring is cute. Winter is not cute.
Winter can be beautiful.
Winter is beautiful from inside my house.
Okay. Now a natural dialogue. Short and real.
Okay.
Hi, Steve. What's the weather like today?
Hi, Luma. It's sunny, but windy.
Is it warm?
Not really. It's cool.
So jacket or no jacket?
Jacket. Always jacket.
Do you think it will rain?
Maybe. The sky is cloudy.
Okay, take an umbrella.
Good idea.
And what season is it now?
It's summer, but it feels like fall.
That happens.
Weather is confusing.
Yes, sometimes. Quick recap. Today we learned weather and seasons. Weather words: sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy, hot, cold, warm, cool. Useful questions: how's the weather? What's the weather like?
And the most important lesson is bring an umbrella just in case.
Yes. Thanks for listening to Read to Talk. See you next time.
Bye. Have a nice day.